Hello my dear friends. Today we will be discuss about the second exercise of integer of standard 6 chapter 6. Okay. Now in the previous class we have studied about the word that how integers are behaves with each other. Yes or no? And how we will represent that in the number lines of the various integers in the number line. Today we will be discuss about how if we add two integers and what are the results will become of, whether by using number line or without number line. Okay, so let's discuss one by one, my dear friends. Okay, let's go. Before that, you just remember the fundas. What is the funda? That integers are of two types. One is positive, another is negative. Positive integers are present on the right hand side of the zero of a number line, and the negative integers are present on the left hand side of the zero of the number line. And which one is bigger? Always positive integers are bigger than that of the negative integers. Yes or no? And remember, in case of negative integers, those which are present nearer to zero, they are bigger. But in case of positive, those who are far away from the what? Zero, they are the biggest. Okay? Okay. Let's talk and discuss one by one from your exercise. What is that? First, it's saying that 6.2, it is saying that what it's about? It's saying that using the number line with the integer which is add or greater or less. Okay, what is the final integer it will come? You have to find out with the help of the number line. Okay, let's do it. First, draw a number line. Okay, with the help of a scale and a pencil. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, then after that we will discuss. First one is saying that number A, question number 1, number A is saying that what? 3 more than 5. Sorry, 3 more than 5 means 3 and 4 are the positive, 5. 3 more than 5 means 1, 2, here it is not there, so I will be extended 8, 9, 10. 2 and 3. Then what is the number? 8. So 8 is the answer. First one. What is the B? B number is saying what? 5 more than minus 5. More than minus 5. 5 more means it comes towards the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number is can? Yes, the answer is 0. Second one is 0. What is the third one? My dear friends, I am using the same number line, but for each question you have to draw a new number line and show it. Okay? Understood? Okay, very good. The third one saying 6 less than 2. 2. 6 less means it is a decrease, means towards minus it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where? This one is the, so answer is minus 4. Understood? The D number is saying what? 3 less than minus 2. D. 3 is saying that again. 3 less than minus 2. The number is minus 2. Here the number. 3 less than. Less means again decrease. Means 1, 2 and 3. What is the number? Minus 5. Like this manner you have to be what? Justify your answer by using the number line. Understood, my dear friends? Again I told you, for each question you have to draw a separate line, number line, so that it will looking very clearly. Understood? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Use the number line and add the following integer. Okay. Now I have to erase this one. And with the help of number line, I have to draw it. With the help of the scale, draw it. Okay, in the center 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My line is not straight, so I am extremely sorry for this one, my dear friends. Okay, make it a straight one. Little bit of straight. Okay. Okay, I will draw it once again because it is very sorry. It is little bit of good. Okay, or I will erase this one from this side. Okay, now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because it is left hand side of the 0, so it will be minus. All of them are in minus. Don't be confused. Okay, sir, why you are not putting minus symbols? Okay, on the right hand side, all of them are plus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's add the numbers in the number line. Okay, 9 plus minus 6. 9 plus minus 6. Where the 9 is there? Here the number 9 is there. Minus 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number? The answer is 3. Understood? Like this manner you have to be draw it, my dear friends. Okay. Next, B. What is the B saying? The B is saying 5 plus minus 11. Okay. Now, I erase this one so that it will be easily understood by you. Okay. Okay. Ready? 5. Where is the 5 number? Here it is. Plus minus 11. Minus means what? It will decreases. So right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again. 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is the number is came? It's given minus 6. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now come to the third one. By using number line, my dear friends. Okay. It's saying that minus 5 plus 10. What is that? Minus 5 plus 10. First locate minus 5. Here it is. Plus 10 means it's going towards the right. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where the number is? It is saying 5. Which 5? Plus 5. So write it as it is. Understood? Like this manner you have to be solve the question by using the number line. Let's go for the next one, my dear friends. Okay. So D1 is saying what? So just check it. The D1 is saying that minus 5 plus 10. Oh, it is over. Minus 5 plus 10 is over. Let's go for 3 integers. Minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. Okay. No problem is there. Bigger is there means don't forget. Don't be scared. Okay. It will be very, very easy for you. Okay now. Just use the number line in proper manner. Understood? Okay. Minus 2. First localize where the minus 2 is there. Here it is there. Plus 8. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number 5 is come after adding these 2. But again saying minus 4. Again come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the number is came here? Yes. 2 or plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. The answer is 2. Okay? Either this way or another way is also there. What is the another way? The another way is either you add these 2. Minus 2, minus 4, plus 8. You can arrange this one in one place. Go for it. Where the minus 2 is there? Here. Minus 2, minus 4. Where the minus 4 will come? In this side it will be decreases. How many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 6 is there. Okay, plus 8. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same answer is coming or not? So answer is 2. Understood, my dear friends? Like this manner, you have to solve the addition of the integer by using number line. Understood? Okay, very good. Thank you. Let's go to the another one. What is that? Third one. What is the third one saying? I just erase this one, my dear friends, so that our board will be clear and we will solve the questions in a proper manner. What is the third question is saying? Add without number line. Yes, without number line you have to be adding. How? See, 11 plus minus 7. Okay, 11 plus minus 7. Okay. Before this one, I am going to give you a certain, what is that? Rules or a theorems, which is very, very important for you. What is that? When two positive integers are added with each other, the answer is coming plus. Okay? When two negative integers are added, the answer is coming minus sign. Okay? I will give you an example. What is that? Plus 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. Here, minus 3 plus minus 6, the answer is what? Minus 3 plus 6, 9. Only sign will be as it is and these two numbers will be added. Understood? Okay. But if 1 plus and 1 minus is there, or 1 minus 1 plus is there, then what you have to do? The rule is subtract the numbers and put greater value symbol. This is the rule. Okay? What is that? Plus 6 is there, plus minus 8 is there. So what is the rule? Subtract the numbers. If the number is also like this, plus 6, then what you have to do? In both the cases the same answer. What are they? Subtract the number. Subtract number means which one is bigger? 8 is bigger or 6 is bigger? Yes, 8 is bigger. 8 minus 6. How much? 2 is coming. Now in between these two, which one is greater? 8 is greater. What is the sign of 8? Minus. Put it minus. Understood? For these two, the same answer is there. Okay? So let's go for it. Now remember, here 1 plus 1 minus is there. What you have to do? This rule will come. Subtract the number. 11 minus 7, 4. And put greater value symbol. Which one is greater? 11 is greater, 7 is greater. 11 is greater. Which sign it is? Positive sign. You write a plus 4 or 4. Whatever it will be. Okay? Let's go for the second one. Okay. Another thing is also there, my dear friends. Okay? Another method is also there. I will tell that one also. So that whichever is important for you, you just do it. Okay? Now remember, this bracket is represented as multiplication. Okay? Here the signs are multiplied. You will be studying the higher classes. But here I will just tell little bit of hints. Plus into minus, it is minus. It is 4. But it is really helpful in your higher class. Okay? So use this method only. Okay? Okay. Now come to the second one. What is not second? Go for the third one. C is saying that one minus 10 plus 19. Minus 10 plus 19. Again it is 1 plus 1 1 minus 1 plus 19. Yeah. 1 plus 1 minus is there. What you have to do? Again come to here. Subtract the number. Which one is greater? 19 is greater or 10 is greater? Yes, 19 is greater. 19 minus 10, 9. Come to the second line. Put greater value symbol. Which one is greater? 19 is greater or 10 is greater? Yes, 19 is greater. What is the symbol? Yes, plus. Plus 9 or 9. You can write it also. Okay. How it is easy? If you remember this, formulas. Okay. Next one. It's saying that 380 plus or minus, it's saying or minus, plus, again it's saying minus 270. So both of them are minus means minus sign will come and these two will be add. Now add it. Here I am saying that these two will be add. Okay, whatever it will be. Now what is that? 0, 15, 5, 1, 650. This is the answer, my dear friends. Okay? Okay? Okay. In your book it is there. In your book it is there. Change this negative into positive. Okay? What is the additive inverse of 270? In your book it is 10 minus 380 plus okay, leave it. You can remember this one only. Okay? Minus how much it came? 0, 5, 650. This is the answer. Okay? Now come to the second one. What is the next one? It is saying minus 270 plus minus 100. Now remember this. Both the cases minus is there. Put your minus. Now add these two numbers. How much? 370 is the answer. Understood, my dear friends? Like this manner you have to be solve each and every question. Okay? Anything more? Let's see. Yeah. Again it's saying that find the sum of. Now in the statement form it is writing. Okay? This will be as it is. Let it be like this. Okay? So that you can understood it. Okay? Find the sum of. Sum means what? Which number it is? 4. Find the sum. What is saying? Sum of means you have to add it. Okay, what is that? 130. It's saying about what? 137 minus 354. You have to add it. Okay. Now according to our rule, 1 plus 1 minus is there. What you have to do? Yes. Subtract the numbers. Now subtract these two numbers. 354 minus 137. How much? 7, 1, 2. 270. So I write here 270. Put greater value symbol. In between these two, which one is greater? Plus is greater, minus is greater? Yes, minus is greater. Put your minus sign. Okay? So like this manner, you have to be what? Solve the questions. Okay? Now the C bit. I am leaving the question so that you can practice by yourself. It's saying that minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. Now in this case what you have to do? Add these two numbers because these two are the additive inverse. Positive integers. So add it. How much? 1, 3, 1, 231. Okay? It is coming towards 1, 33, 1 and okay. Now 1 plus 1 minus is there. What you have to do? Subtract the number. Now subtract it. How much? 1. Yes. Tell me. 81. Okay. Now subtract the number. 81 is K. Now put the greater value symbol. In between these two, which one is greater? Minus 1. 312 is greater. Don't think about minus because we are already used the sign formula of sign value. 1 plus 1 minus is there. And what you have to do? Then next, the numbers. Okay, so now numbers means which one? This number is greater with which sign? Minus. Write in minus. Okay, you will say that, sir, in the number line you say that if minus and plus is there, then plus is greater. It is correct. But after using the rule of signs, that is positive and negative, then don't apply this rule. Okay, already that rule is finished. And the new rule is came here. Okay. And the rest you just do it by yourself, my dear friends. Okay? Let's go for the fifth one. What is the fifth one is saying? The fifth one is saying find the sum of this number. What is the sum? It's saying that I just turn this one so that it will be visible to me. Okay, the second one I will do. First one will be yours for you. Okay, it will be easy for you. Okay, so the second one is 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Now remember, my dear friends, all of them are in a minus sign is there. Na? What you have to do? First write the additive inverse like this plus. Now in the all the cases take out minus as common. Okay, either take out the minus as common or what you have to do, you have to add all the numbers. Same rule, if addition is 2 minus are there, what is the symbol? Minus will come here. Now add the number. 2 plus 8 10. Here 75. So put the bracket. Now again second rule will come here. What is that? 1 plus 1 minus is there. What you have to do? Subtract these two numbers. What is that? 75 minus 37. How much it will come in? Tell me. 8. 3. Yes or no? 38. Now after subtracting, what you have to do? Put the greater value symbol. Which one is greater? 75 is greater or 37 is greater? 75. So 75 sign is which one? Minus. Put your minus. So answer is minus 38. Like this manner you have to solve the addition of the two integers. So my dear friends, if you have any doubts, then write in my comment section so that I will clear your doubts. If you would like it, then subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.